Julia Trubkina, star of 90 Day Fiance, has hinted to fans that she is expecting a child. People are also unsure about what to believe. Pregnancy can strike at any time, so it comes as a complete surprise. Julia is attempting to establish the perfect marriage in America, but things are difficult, especially since Brandon Gibbs hasn't been sincere from the start. Brandon informed Julia that they would only be staying at his parents' property for a few months before looking for a home to call their own. And now that the 90 days are up, they've been married for almost a year and have yet to move. Julia Trubkina is concerned since she does not want to live on a farm. She claims she didn't sign up for this. She wants to experience America, and a trip to Las Vegas with Brandon gives her a taste of the life she desires. Julia urges Brandon to relocate, but he declines. He claims that they are unable to move because they lack the financial means to do so. Julia is kept on her toes by 90 Day Fiance, which gives her glimpses of her independence. She claims she will move with or without Brandon soon after she has her green card. Julia resents the fact that she spends her days on the farm for free when she might be working and earning money. She would relocate right now if she could, but she can't live without her spouse and he refuses to move. Surprisingly, Julia doesn't have to work too hard to persuade Brandon Gibbs to relocate. His parents, Ron and Betty Gibbs, have already taken care of it. They also do not want the pair to depart. These parents want to have a party to celebrate Julia and Brandon's marriage, but they are told nay. Brandon and Julia have no plans to celebrate their wedding, but Ron and Betty believe they can throw a small get-together to coincide with Ron's 70th birthday. Brandon agrees to move out as a result of this, and his parents are informed. His parents are distraught and warn him that they will never make it. Brandon and Julia are said to be unable to support themselves. On the other hand, the newlyweds are unconcerned, claiming that they will make it work and that they would be gone as soon as they find a house. Julia and Brandon are looking for a new place to reside. Despite their opposition to the relocation, Ron and Betty Gibbs have tagged along to show support. Julia agrees with Betty that she has a lot of work ahead of her. Brandon's expression is surprised when she says she'll create room for a baby in the new apartment. Betty, on the other hand, is taken aback and inquires about a kid.